Okay, welcome back, and this is the part 2 of cacao or cocoa seed planting. So I'll be choosing the best seed so far with the roots on it, and I'll put on hole just a little bit, not too much. Let's see. Okay, take a hole in it, put it in and top it. Okay. I only have 5 bottles so far, so I'll plant these other seeds next time, and I'll show it to you again. So far 5. So I'll keep the lid closed just to have enough humidity. It's like a greenhouse effect. So yeah, and I'll keep you updated on these seedlings or the stage of growing of this cacao seed. It's the first time for me to plant this kind of seed. So yeah, and I'll keep you posted again.